Hello YouTube, this is my first video and I thought I would share with you a little project that I'm starting to try to do here at home, and that's organize my toolbox. So I decided that I wanted to organize my pliers, and I was able to find a little project online and I wanted to share it with you. This is a ordinary $5 dish strainer. Picked it up at Rosie's, and I want to show you how easy it is to turn one of these into a pliers rack by using my lineman's pliers only. I know that there's a few out there that take it into shop and they take some big tools and cut it down, but this stuff is so soft that it doesn't require it. What you do want to do is you want to put the flat side against the area that you want to keep. Might need to take the feet off and just put it in there and clip it. Now I've already done one of these and it turned out to be really easy to do. Got a couple of them that hold the glasses. They'll pop loose on you. And I got a couple of little critters running around here, so I don't want them to get it in their mouth. So I'll pick them up and keep them out of the way. Now, just in case you're wondering, I'm using a standard set of lineman's pliers from Lowe's, Cobalt. And it is not dinging the cut edge up at all. This stuff is so soft. So I've chosen to also keep this just a little bit long on the rack itself, because most of my pliers cover up that length anyway. And if I want to, when I'm done, I can dip these edges in Flex Seal just to close up the rubber coating that's on the rack itself. Nearly finished here. So if you have been reluctant on doing this because you don't have side grinder or what have you, now you know that it can be done with a pair of lineman's pliers. This other foot. Yep. Alright. Now then, kind of show you. Center is gone. That actually is now useless. And this is what you have left. If you notice, it has a little bit of an angle there. I kind of like that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it up here on the table, and I'm going to put some pliers in it so you can see that it does work. So, and it will hold those big lineman's pliers I just had in there. Pretty easy stuff. Throw a couple of different sizes in here for you so you can see that it'll do pretty well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this, and there it is. So if you've been kind of putting it off and you don't want to pay $20 in shipping to get pliers rack, there it is. $5 in just a few minutes. Have a good one.